Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Trading 212 notifications so you can stop getting alerts you don't want. There are two ways to do this. First method is by going through the Trading 212 app. So simply open your Trading 212 app and log in. Then from here, you want to tap the notification bell at the top right corner. Then you want to click on the settings icon again on the top right corner. From here, you'll see different types of notifications like account activity or news. All you have to do is just toggle off the notifications you don't want. For example, turn off push notifications or in-app or email for any account activities or news. The next method is by going through your phone settings. So just go to your phone settings, then navigate to apps. There we go. From here, just search for Trading 212. Then, as you can see, you can already edit the notifications here. You can allow it or block that. That's it. Using either method, you can stop Trading 212 notifications from bothering you. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!